Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. My customer brought this phone, this Samsung S9 Plus. She said she went to give an engineer. A technician has actually worked on it before, and this is what it's showing. This is what it's showing. As you can see, it's showing battery temperature is low. This is the logo sign of battery temperature is low. So let us see if we can do something about it. So the technician has misplaced the fingerprint flash and is one that even use the phone like this. So let us see if we can work on it and make it work. After losing the phone, you notice that this wireless flash is damaged. It has cut. As you can see, it's damaged. It's damaged, and I think this is one of the reasons why the phone is showing battery temperature is low. So, but we will still check for other things. We will check for some other things. So we try servicing the jack, that's the port, in case there's any debris or water effect or water damage. So we want to see if we work again like this. Let us see if we work again after servicing. So let us see if it will work now. We're still doing the same. So that means we have much work to do. We have to check more to know where the fault is coming from. Like I said earlier, this may be the possible effect of this error. This thing that has caused here may be the possible effect of the error. So we are going to work on this now to know if it will work. So let us do some reading. There's the register here that usually affect that thing. So we want to see if the register is okay. Okay, the register is fine. The register is fine. This 73.84 point so and so. That is the proper reading of the register. 72.5. The register is using 72.5, which means the register is okay. But it's not connected to this page. It's not connected to this page. As you can see, not connected to this page. So we have to trace the leg of this thing to this place so that we can solve it. So we tried checking for where this connector is leading to, this resistor is leading to, because we detect that there's a breakage. There's a breakage in between this resistor here and this plate. We could only find this particular one here. We could only find this one, this leg, but we could not find it. So we noticed that there's a breakage in between. And from the breakage, it is over this side. This leg is the leg is located. Now, after detecting this is the resistor, the 73 kilo ohms resistor that is connected to the wireless charging. So the first leg now let us put in the charger. As you can see, that's worked. Make Diamond Gadget and Tech your shop plug. We are here to serve you. 100% available. Thank you.